This doesn't look like a smart home. In fact, to most people, it looks like something unfinished, industrial, even outdated. But in 2026, some of the smartest homeowners are quietly walking away from traditional houses and choosing this instead. Not because it's trendy, not because it's cheap, but because it solves problems that modern homes simply can't. And by the end of this video, you might start questioning everything you thought you knew about building a home. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why this structure is suddenly exploding in popularity, what it actually costs to build in 2026, the biggest mistake almost every first-time buyer makes, and whether this is genuinely a smart move or a hidden trap. Because there's one truth about these homes that most people don't discover until it's too late. And it has nothing to do with the steel. It has everything to do with what goes inside. We'll come back to that. The problem. Right now, across the world, especially in places like the United States, Canada, and rapidly growing parts of Asia, homeownership is becoming significantly harder to achieve. Property prices have surged faster than income growth, while construction costs continue rising due to expensive materials, labor shortages, and supply chain disruptions. At the same time, building timelines have stretched, often taking 12 to 18 months or more, which adds additional financial pressure through delays and uncertainty. The cost per square foot has reached levels that many middle-income buyers simply cannot justify. What used to be an achievable milestone a decade ago now feels increasingly out of reach. For many families, saving for a home no longer guarantees ownership, it only keeps them in the race. This growing gap between income and housing affordability is forcing people to rethink traditional construction entirely. Instead of asking how to afford a conventional house, more people are now asking a smarter, more strategic question. What's the most efficient way to build a home without sacrificing quality, flexibility, or long-term value? The discovery. And that's where this comes in. The barndominium Quonset hut home. At first glance, it doesn't look impressive or luxurious. It's a curved steel structure with a minimal exterior and a design that feels almost too simple compared to traditional houses. There are no decorative rooflines, no complex framing, and no visual excess. But that simplicity is intentional, and it's exactly what makes it powerful. This design eliminates unnecessary structural components. The curved steel shell distributes weight evenly across the entire structure, removing the need for internal support walls. That means fewer materials, faster construction, and fewer points of failure over time. It's a system built for efficiency, not appearance. Originally developed for military use, this structure was engineered to solve real problems: speed, strength, and reliability in extreme conditions. It had to be assembled quickly, transported easily, and perform consistently in harsh environments without constant maintenance. That same principle is now being applied to modern housing. What you're looking at isn't a downgrade from traditional homes. It's a re-engineered version of housing, focused on durability, adaptability, and long-term performance instead of surface-level complexity. The story. Back in 1941, during World War II, the U.S. military faced a critical logistical challenge. They needed a structure that could be mass-produced, transported across continents, and assembled quickly without specialized labor. Traditional buildings were too slow and resource-intensive. The solution came from United States Navy engineers at Quonset Point, who developed what became known as the Quonset hut. The design was simple but highly effective: a semi-cylindrical arch made from corrugated galvanized steel panels. These panels were lightweight, pre-engineered, and could be bolted together on-site with minimal tools. The structure required no internal support columns, allowing for open interior space and rapid assembly, often within a few days. It was durable enough to withstand extreme weather conditions, from heavy snow to strong winds, and resistant to fire, pests, and rot. Over 150,000 Quonset huts were produced during the war, used for barracks, storage, medical units, and command centers. Their reliability and efficiency made them one of the most successful military building innovations of the time, principles that are now being adapted for modern residential construction. Why smart people are switching. So why are smart homeowners choosing this in 2026? It comes down to 4 powerful advantages. Durability. Imagine a home where the roof and walls are one structure. There are no shingles to replace, no wood to rot, no termites to worry about. That's what steel gives you. These homes are designed to handle heavy snow, strong winds, extreme temperatures, and they do it with minimal maintenance. This isn't just a house. It's a long-term system. Speed. Now compare this to a traditional home. 12 to 18 months to build. Delays. Labor shortages. Cost overruns. Now compare that to a Quonset structure. The shell. It can go up in 10 to 14 days. That changes everything. Because time is one of the most expensive parts of building. Cost. This is where most people get excited. And also, where most people get it wrong. Yes, these homes are more affordable. But not in the way you think. We'll break that down in a moment. Design freedom. Step inside one of these homes. And you'll notice something immediately. There are no load-bearing walls. No structural limitations. Just a wide open space that you can design however you want. High ceilings. Open layouts. Lofts. Glass walls. You're not adapting to the house. The house adapts to you. But here's where things get interesting. Because everything we've talked about so far sounds almost too good to be true. And in some ways, it is. The biggest misunderstanding. Remember what I said earlier. The biggest truth has nothing to do with the steel. Here it is. The steel shell accounts for only about 25% of the total build cost. That means the remaining 75% comes from everything else. And this is where most people miscalculate. When you see ads promoting Quonset kits for $10,000 or $20,000, those prices only cover the exterior structure. It's essentially the outer shell, not a livable home. What actually turns that shell into a house is the expensive part. You still need a proper foundation, insulation to control temperature, full electrical wiring, plumbing systems, HVAC, interior framing, drywall, flooring, cabinetry, and fixtures. Each of these components adds significant cost, and they scale depending on your design choices and quality standards. This is why 2 identical steel shells can end up with completely different final costs. The structure may be affordable, but the livability is where the real investment happens. Real cost breakdown. Let's simplify this in practical terms. To turn a steel shell into a fully livable home, several essential systems must be installed, and each one carries significant cost. You need a properly engineered foundation to support the structure and meet local building codes. Insulation is critical, especially for steel buildings, to prevent heat transfer and maintain energy efficiency year-round. Electrical wiring must be planned for lighting, outlets, appliances, and safety systems. Plumbing includes water supply, drainage, and fixtures for kitchens and bathrooms. Then comes the interior build-out. This includes framing internal walls, installing drywall or alternative finishes, flooring, ceilings, and paint. The kitchen alone, cabinets, countertops, appliances, can take a large portion of the budget. Bathrooms add further cost with fixtures, tiling, and waterproofing. HVAC systems are also necessary for ventilation, heating, and cooling. All of these components are variable. Material quality, design complexity, and labor choices directly affect the final cost. That's why 2 identical shells can end up with completely different budgets. Emotional contrast. This is where smart homeowners separate themselves from the average buyer. They don't get distracted by the lowest advertised price or the cheapest kit online. Instead, they understand that building a home, especially a non-traditional one, is a system with multiple cost layers and long-term implications. They focus on total project cost, not just the entry point. They plan before they build. That means defining a realistic budget, understanding where money will be allocated, and identifying which areas require investment versus where they can simplify. For example, they prioritize insulation, structural integrity, and essential systems first, because these directly affect comfort, durability, and long-term operating costs. They also make intentional design decisions. Instead of overbuilding or copying luxury layouts, they align the space with how they actually live. This reduces unnecessary square footage, avoids wasted materials, and keeps costs controlled without sacrificing functionality. Most importantly, they think long-term. Maintenance, energy efficiency, and adaptability matter more than short-term savings. Because the real advantage of this type of home isn't just spending less upfront. It's having full control over how your money is used, how your space functions, and how your home performs over time. Lifestyle shift. And this is why this trend is growing so fast in 2026. People don't just want houses anymore. They want flexibility, independence, simplicity, freedom. Some are building off-grid homes, hybrid workspaces, shop plus living combinations. Others are just tired of cookie-cutter neighborhoods, expensive mortgages, limited design choices. This isn't just architecture. It's a mindset shift. The real downsides. Now let's be honest. This isn't perfect. There are real challenges. Financing. Banks don't always understand these homes. Getting a loan can be harder. Zoning. Some areas won't allow them. You need to check before building. Resale. These homes don't appeal to everyone. Selling can take longer. Insulation. And this one matters the most. Steel transfers temperature. Without proper insulation, your home becomes an oven in summer, a freezer in winter. This is not optional. It's essential. The decision. So the real question isn't, is this cheaper? It's, is this smarter for you? This works best if you want customization, value long-term durability, are willing to plan carefully, think beyond traditional housing. But if you want easy financing, standard resale, zero complexity, then this might not be your path. But if you understand it, and you build it right, this can be one of the most efficient, flexible, and future-proof homes you can create in 2026. So here's the reality. It's not just a cheap alternative. It's not just a trend. It's a different way of thinking about housing. One that prioritizes efficiency, control, adaptability. If you're seriously considering building one, take your time, do the research. And if you want to see real examples, actual layouts, and the smartest designs people are building right now, follow our channel and watch the next video. Because some of these interiors don't look anything like what you're imagining. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. See you in the next one.